Place the sponges in the washing machine drawer and pour this liquid. This trick will make your washing machine last for many years without any malfunctions. Soak the sponges with it and put them in the washing machine. You likely often overlook the detergent drawer when cleaning your washing machine. Moisture in its uncleaned corners causes mold to develop, leading to an unpleasant odor over time. This sponge trick will clean your washing machine the fastest. Take a sponge and remove its rough side. Place it in the detergent drawer. Do the same with the second sponge. Soak the sponges generously with vinegar. They should be well saturated. Close the drawer and wait 10 minutes. Then run the washing machine on a short cycle. During the wash, the vinegar is evenly released from the sponge, thoroughly cleaning the drawer as well. I repeat this process once a month, and as a result, my washing machine is always clean, and the clothes taken out of it smell fresh. Take a stocking and put it on your hand. This trick will ensure that you never again have damaged clothes after taking them out of the washing machine. If your clothes have pulled threads after washing, you're probably wondering what's causing it. Often, you don't remember if the threads were pulled before washing. You don't know if the washing machine is damaging and tearing your clothes. So, you're afraid to wash delicate clothes and sweaters in the machine to avoid damaging them. Lace lingerie, tablecloths, and curtains are precious to you? Are you even worried about stockings? Maybe you've already started washing all these things by hand, and it's wasting a lot of your time. However, pulled threads on clothes often make them no longer wearable. They can't always be repaired, so you'll simply have to throw away items that get snagged. That's why it's always good to have stockings on hand. You'll quickly find that the problem of pulled threads disappears. Take some stockings that you no longer wear. I never throw such stockings away. I use them for many things. For example, I'll show you a simple trick now. Put the stocking on your hand. It must not be torn. It must be intact. Do this before putting clothes into the washing machine. With the stocking on your hand, wipe the edge of the drum. Rub the entire drum with the stocking. Thoroughly wipe every nook and cranny of the drum, including those edges inside the drum. Now, check the stocking. If it's intact, nothing has snagged it, it means your washing machine is working correctly. It's not the one damaging your clothes. If there are runs on the stockings, you'd quickly locate the place responsible for the holes and pulled threads in clothes. Did you know this trick? Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Throw them into the washing machine and start the wash cycle as usual. Place your laundry in the drum and add 2 hair rollers. Put them between the items in the washing machine drum. Add a detergent capsule and wash the clothes together with the rollers. Give it a try once, and you'll never stop. Since I started doing this, it's become my favorite way to do laundry, especially for dark clothes. Various threads and tiny lint always stick to dark fabrics. Every tiny hair is visible on dark materials. If you have pets, this problem is even bigger. Dog or cat hair is always visible on black clothes. They're on everything. You surely use a lint roller and hair roller to remove hair and fur. However, this often isn't enough. Even after washing, there are still threads, lint, hair, and fur on clothes. But there's a simple solution to this. Hair rollers are perfect for this. They are made of Velcro, which catches everything. They collect hair and fur from clothes very well. Just throw them into the laundry together with the items. Instead of on clothes, all these tiny debris will be on the rollers after washing. When you try this trick with hair rollers, the problem of hair and fur on clothes will disappear. Instead of fabric softener, put this in the washing machine. A hotelier once showed me this trick. Too much detergent and fabric softener make towels rough and less absorbent. This one ingredient will change that. Load only towels into the washing machine. Add a handful of baking soda, which softens fibers while eliminating odors and bacteria. Now it's time for rice. Blend 2 tablespoons of rice into a fine powder. Add 3 ounces of water and let the mixture sit for several hours or overnight. After that, strain the liquid to remove any grain residues. Now pour 1 cup of rice water into the drum. Add regular laundry detergent to the detergent compartment and vinegar to the fabric softener compartment. For a fresh scent, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Set the wash to 100 or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the machine starts dispensing detergent, pour in the remaining rice water. Your towels will come out incredibly soft, fresh, and fragrant, without using chemical store-bought softeners. Try it. Apply toothpaste to a lemon and put it into the washing machine drum. Very few people know this trick. If you have not tried it yet, it is time to change that. Most of us do not clean the washing machine regularly, which leads to a buildup of dirt and residue. With this simple trick, you can keep the appliance clean without using expensive chemicals. Cut the lemon into 2 equal halves. Apply toothpaste to each half. Both ingredients have strong disinfecting and antibacterial properties. Put the prepared lemon into the washing machine drum. Pull back the rubber seal and sprinkle a small amount of baking soda inside. Scrub thoroughly with a toothbrush and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, clean the detergent drawer thoroughly. Prepare a mixture of about 2 ounces of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix well and apply the foam to the surface of the drawer. Wait a moment and clean hard-to-reach areas with a toothbrush. Set a short wash cycle and start the washing machine. When the cycle is finished, simply remove the lemon. Do not forget about the washing machine filter as well. Take 1 absorbent diaper and place it under the filter. It will absorb the water that flows out when you unscrew it. This way, you will avoid flooding the floor and extra cleaning. These methods will make your washing machine clean, fresh, and free of limescale. This method not only effectively refreshes the inside of the washing machine, but also helps protect it from future buildup of dirt. I discovered a genius trick that will transform your washing machine. The results will surprise you. It's simple, cheap, and works every time. Grab some kitchen sponges. The more, the better. Make holes in the middle of each one. I use a soldering iron, but you can also use a knife or a skewer. Thread the sponges onto a string and secure the end so they don't fall off. It's an easy and eco-friendly solution that requires minimal effort. Place them in the washing machine and pour plenty of lemon juice over them. Run the machine without detergent and watch the magic happen. Lemon has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes bad odors. This trick will dissolve dirt and residue, causing bad smells. Not only will your washing machine be refreshed, but the rubber seals will also be cleaned. You'll love how fresh and clean your machine smells afterward. After the cycle, your machine will smell fresh and clean. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself. Throw ice into the dryer, and wrinkles on clothes will disappear. This trick will be loved by people who hate ironing clothes. When your clothes have visible wrinkles, you can address this issue easily and without using an iron. Ironing clothes is a hassle and a waste of time for many people. They just don't want to take out the ironing board and turn on the iron. But if you have a dryer or a washer-dryer at home, you're in luck. Take your wrinkled clothes with visible creases. They often appear if we keep folded clothes in the closet instead of hanging them on hangers. Sometimes wrinkles appear if we don't take out the dry laundry immediately. Put 3 to 5 such items into the drum, add a handful of ice cubes, start the drying cycle for about 15 minutes. During this time, the moisture from the ice cubes will eliminate wrinkles while the dryer is working. Clothes will be smooth without ironing. Depending on the fabric, you'll see the effect immediately after taking them out of the dryer. Just 10 or 15 minutes is often enough for the dryer to iron your clothes for you. All thanks to a few ice cubes.